Well, of course, anytime we have a frontal system and a winter storm system at that moving through the plains, we have a Sigmet chart, a low-level Airmet and Sigmet chart that looks like this. Strong winds out ahead of the front, the southwesterly flow, a bumpy situation there. We've got the strong winds coming in behind and the cold dense air behind that frontal system, so definitely a turbulence type situation there. We're indicating turbulence below 12,000 behind the front, turbulence below 8,000 ahead of the front, as well as the icing potential. Now, right along the frontal system, some decent snow falling, so that's an in-cloud as well as in-precip type situation. Get it behind the frontal system a couple hundred miles, and you're looking at mainly an in-cloud icing situation. Of course, a few areas of IFR with that heavy snow as well. Now, I checked the PIREPs, no severe PIREPs out there, so that's some good news, but we definitely have some PIREPs for the moderate turbulence, both in the lower altitudes and the higher altitudes along that frontal system. Remember, the winds coming in right out of the north, they swing through that trough and then head up to the northeast. So with that, a directional shear as well as a speed shear situation. So definitely a turbulence situation. And we were talking yesterday about the severe turbulence along the eastern seaboard. Of course, that's all moved out into the Atlantic. What we're left with is a narrow band along that jet core from 25 up to about 38,000 for the turbulence. As far as convective Sigmets are concerned, we could see a few thunderstorms later today. The heat, the humidity ahead of that frontal system. Very warm, 30 degrees warmer this morning in Houston than it was yesterday at this time. So we're definitely looking at certainly a volatile situation. The potential for some thunderstorms, isolated though they may be, certainly a real possibility there in eastern Texas.